Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun no, our content for today sa alamin natin mga my loves, Virgo, ano ba ang inyong January 2024 happenings? Yes mga babes no, yung mga pwede ninyong antabayanan, abangan no, na mga supposedly mga posibleng mangyari with you guys. So yun nga no, wala tayong gender here Virgo, so just take out this resonates with you. And of course, this is timeless as well. So, bali na ka LGBT cross watchers, you're all welcome here. You can flip rose if you want. Yan. So, let's go ahead and check out. This is for Virgo's January 2024. So, how was how was your Christmas celebration mga babes? No? May spaghetti pa ba kayo dyan? Spaghetti ngayon at kailanman. Yan, no? Aabutin pa ng New Year yan. O kami may spaghetti pa sa rep. So, yun mga babes. No? Virgin Angel, guys. Like Angel Marco, thank you so much. Let us shuffle everything, every deck, okay, before we dive into this reading of yours. Okay. Virgo, January 2024. What do we have here for them? Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my Virgo people. Virgo. Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, let's see what do we have here for you, mga may loves. Let's all find out. Okay, let me shuffle as well this one. Tell me more for May Virgo, January 2024, please. Oh, nakita ko na shoulder bag. So, maaaring iba sa inyo, na-receive niyo yan as Kris Kringle. Kris Kringle. Level up yung Kris Kringle, eh. No? I mean, exchange gift or baka niregalo yan sa inyo or binili niyo yan for yourself. If hindi, carry lang. Nakita natin. So, this could be specific. Shoulder bag. Scholar black. So, let's see. Virgo 2024, month of January. January 2024. January 2024. This is for my Virgo people. Okay. January 2024 for May Virgo. Constipated ba sa inyo? Nasobrahan kayo sa kain? Hini-hini lang. At saka inom-inom ng maraming tubig. Okay. Kasi sabi sa mga kumakain. So, yun. Getting the energy right here, no, na either super busog ka or impacho. Mga ganun. Or your stomach is may problema yung stomach mo. Like literally, may gulo. Yan. So, maaaring may constipated here. Pasintabi ulit sa mga kumakain. Or masakit yung chan mo nitong nakaraan or whatever. Okay? So, let's see. If hindi, okay lang mga babes. Nakuha kasi natin, kaya natin minention. So, Virgo, for your January 2024, you have here mga may loves that you're ready. You're ready right here. I like it because I'm seeing a lot of gold, glittery gold right here. So, you're ready here. Okay? And that's what we're gonna find out. Pero mukhang ito ay pagbabago, no? At ito ay handog sa'yo ni Universe, no? Kung nakikita ninyo yung hands nila, parang may naabot here. Ay na parang it's like, receive this Virgo because this is something here precious. It's like a treasure na iingatan mo here. You also have here Virgo that it's a yes. Yeah, no, yes right here. No, parang alam mo, I'm getting this type of energy that this is just in time for you, Virgo. So, meron silang handog dito sa'yo na ay nakikita ko rito na sobrang ikakaligaya at ikakatuwa mo. Like, you're gonna be emotionally, okay, connected with this present or gift na matatanggap mo rito, no, sa divine. So, whatever it is, I do get that this is also a confirmation that your wish is coming true. maybe one of your biggest wish right here because there's this big exclamation, no? Or yung iba sa inyo tatanong kayo no sa sarili ninyo no na is it for me talaga? Or itong bagay na to, itong sitwasyon na to, no? Maybe you're asking for signs right here or clues. I'm seeing it coming for you guys. And this is appearing here like a miracle because I'm seeing rainbow colors, okay? So, I do pick up that this is here one of your biggest wish na iniisip mo na parang imposibleng mangyari but it's gonna happen. And it could probably happen or start happening or start maramdaman mo yung pagbabago or yung mga signs and clues mag-start na maglabasan no sa January 2024. So yun nga, and also Virgo, you have here the forgiveness, okay? You also have here the if you believe and it's a yesy double yeses right here. So definitely, whatever it is coming towards you, this will make you really feel happy right here. See? Big. Happy changes. Kakasabi ko lang ng happy, di ba? So nakikita ko dito, no, na na something really really good. It's like a good news for you guys, no? Especially if hindi ka kakawala dun sa paniniwala na yon, it will happen. Walang imposible mga babes, no? Lalo na, regardless kung anong religion mo, no? Lalo na kung naniniwala ka na bibigyan ka to parang yung pinapangarap mo, no? At as long as walang masasagasaan dyan or masasaktan dyan sa pangarap mo na yan, tuloy-tuloy ko yung nakikita sa'yo. But there could be some kind of a challenge here, Virgo, because we have here forgiveness. So, what I'm getting this most likely is that kung meron ka pa rito, doesn't have to be na may papatawarin kang literal, no? Pero pwedeng ganun. So, doesn't have to be na kontakin mo siya, no? Or sabihin mo sa kanya na pinapatawad mo na siya. Pero may mga energies na pwedeng lumapit sa'yo, no? Like literally, baka mag-apologize or mag-sorry sa'yo, no? Kahit na sobrang tagal na nun, no? Or kahit hindi matagal, basta meron ditong kailangan gawin, no? Na pagpapatawad, no? Actually, susi lang yun. Pero kasi ang kailangan dito is that, okay, parang ito yung challenge, ito yung final test mo rito, eh, final step mo in receiving this. It's like the universe here will give you this one of the biggest wish of yours, okay, na maaari mong ma-receive this January or maaaring mag-travel na papunta sa'yo this January, no, yung wish na yan, pero you need here to forgive. Doesn't have to be na patawarin mo yung mga nagkasala sa'yo or may mga lalapit na taong hihingi ng tawad sa'yo. Could be. Pero I do get, no, na kailangan mo na ritong palayain yung sarili mo. Forgiveness is like this is you. You deserve peace and serenity. You deserve calmness. You deserve to breathe fresh air. And you deserve to receive beautiful opportunities or offers of life. So, yun nga yun. No? In order for you to receive that, you need to make room here of what? New things. Mag-embark kayo sa new possibilities, opportunities, no? And in order for you to receive that, kailangan i-release nyo na yung mga baggages, no? So, if you feel sad about something, one of the thing that I'm getting is that first you need to accept that it's already done, and this is you, hindi na to mauulit. I have the power to create my own life. Yan, no? This is you, not necessarily um, magpapatawad ng ibang tao. But I do sense that this is you releasing here yourself. Okay? That hindi lahat ng bagay is makokontrol mo, especially yung mga nangyari noon. Pero you can accept that reality that it's already done and now I can move forward with my life. And that's everything. Boom. Happens here in alignment, okay, of what you want to happen here in your life. So yeah, beautiful. So you also have here Virgo this stress. Yeah, see, whatever it is that you're stressing about, feel burden, no? Paikot-ikot, no? It's like a repeating pattern. You need to end that. Okay, you need to end that. Alam mo, I don't know why I'm focused dun sa ano tawag ito? Parang ponytail, no? Na parang nakapusod. So, pwedeng ganyan yung style lagi ng hair mo but doesn't have to be. Or baka ikaw to na lagi nagpo-ponytail mo yun. Parang ayaw mo na umaano yung sumasagi yung buhok mo sa yung face, especially pag may ginagawa ka. So, that could be specific here. So, doesn't have to be. Iba baka may bangs lang. Person nakikita ko dito, wala tayong gender ha. Meron dito nagpapastress sa inyo. No? And I think, ayan yung kailangan mong i-release on the month of January here for you to be able to receive that calmness and wish that you're waiting for. Okay? Kasi di ba pag na-receive mo yung wish mo, you will be happy right here. Okay? Siguro, I do get right here that this reading is actually telling you an advice coming from your angels and guardians na what? Kailangan mo rito na maging happy, okay? Meron ka rito aabangan na good news para matulungan mo yung sarili mong makontrol yung stress mo na yan, para ma-release mo yung sarili mo sa stress mo na yan, knowing that there is a wish fulfillment na paparating sa'yo. 'Di ba? So yeah, claim this already, Virgo, because that's what I'm sensing. Okay, put an end. We have here number 73. When you add it, what will you get? 73 is 10. So ibig sabihin you have to end this stress right here and you're about to end it because something big is coming. Something that will make you really, really happy right here is coming. So yeah, we have here the loss. Okay? Doesn't have to be na meron ka ritong pet na mawawala or whatever, no? For others of you, pwedeng ito ay indication, no, na kapag meron ka ritong alaga na pet, dog, cat, no, meron kang attachment with them, no? So maybe on January, this is you na parang makakakuha ka rito ng parang sense of comfort sa kanila. So, hindi ko talaga nakikita yung loss dito na itong pet mo na to is malalagay sa alanganin yung health niya. Hindi. I do guess right here that because you're stressed, you're gonna find comfort here with your pet, with your fur babies, no? With your cat, your dog, your hamster, rabbit, whatever that pet is, no? Nakikita ko dito na mahanap mo yung comfort sa kanya. Yan, no? So maybe you are having this kind of problem that you will lose or you already lost something here. Okay? Recently, pwedeng relationship yan, pwede rin naman na job, no? And this is you. I'm seeing that you're gonna find comfort here, okay, with your pet. Yes, pet is also considered a soulmate, mga babes, no? Because there is some kind of a sense of comfort that they're giving us. Diba? So, iba natatawa. Pet, soulmate. Ulitin ko lang mga babes, no? Ang soulmate hindi yan palaging tungkol lang sa romantic relationship. Okay, ang soulmate is pwede ring maging parents mo yan, best friend mo, no? Pinsan mo, kapitbahay mo, no? As long as you feel connected with that, as long as this person uplifts your spirit, as long as this person is komportable ka, no? Or as long as this pet is komportable ka, it's a soulmate. Like you find yourself with that person, you do not need, no, na magbalat kayo sa harapan niya. You're just being true. Yun. Okay? So yeah, we also have here the triumph. See? After this getting lost in there. See? There you go. This is what I'm saying. Triumph. Anong triumph? Tagumpay. So, ibig sabihin, meron ka ditong tagumpay, no? And I'm seeing that you're wearing a corporate attire, so it's like, this is you. Mukhang yung aside from that wish na makukuha mo, no, meron ka ditong tagumpay yung sa trabaho naman. Trabaho, pera, no, pwedeng yung iba, posisyon, or whatever, no. Basta meron ka dito ikakatuwa sa trabaho mo. Pera, or baka meron ka ditong opportunity na parang feeling mo panalo ka, no? Yung iba, pag-increase ng salary or position yan, or money, or ng sales kung businessman yan. Yung iba naman, no, it's like, meron ka diyang makukuha sa trabaho mo na ikakasaya mo sa January. Pwedeng, kunwari, ganito, out of all the employees, no, ikaw yung nakakuha dyan nung trip or vacation to other country, yung mga ganun, or out of all the employees na ikaw yung nakakuha dyan nung paraffol na Montero, mga ganyan. I do sense that there is some kind of another parang it's like, pahabol na gift sa'yo, no? Hindi ni Santa, kundi ni Universe, no? Aside from this one big wish that you will have. So, yeah, it could be a trip, actually. That's really, tingling to my ears. Pero, this triumph is considered kung ano man yan. I think may kinalaman sa trabaho mo, connected sa trabaho mo, no? Or sa pinagkakakitaan mo. Yun na nakikita natin dito. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here the conflict, eternal love, yeah, libation. Okay, so nakikita ko rito na kung meron ka man na boyfriend or girlfriend, nakikita ko na magkakaroon kayo ng misunderstanding or hindi pagkakaunawaan. Pero nakikita ko naman, no, na kayo ay magkakaayos rin. Kasi nakikita ko rito that with the eternal love, no, mas matimbang pa rin, okay, ang inyo rito nararamdaman for each other. So, normal lang naman na mag-away kayo, magtalo kayo, karoon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan since ito ay isang relationship. Kailangan talaga magkaroon ng balance. So, at the end of the day, yan ay daan lamang. So, maaaring magtalo kayo about something, may pag-awayan, no? And I'm sensing this kind of jealousy. So, pwedeng jealous yung maging reason kung ba't kayo mag-away, no? This January 2024. Pero okay lang yan. I'm seeing you getting back together right here. And of course, I'm also getting that this person is mamimiss ka niya. So, kung sino man rito yung magsiselo, siya yung mauunang makakamiss. Minsan, paano yung single na may kakonek? Yes, okay. Nakikita ko na kahit na wala pa kayong label niyan, kahit hindi pa kayo officially kayo, posibleng magselos na yung isa sa inyo. Kung sino yung magsiselos, siya rin unang makakamiss. So, nakikita ko magkakaayos rin kayo. And nakikita ko no, na bago mag-Valentine's, kahit January reading to, magiging kayo na ng person na yan. Yan, no? At saka ang maganda, carry lang, no, if this reading is yours, Virgo. Kasi nakikita ko siya na gusto talaga niya magkaroon rito, no, ng serious relationship, singles, no, sa inyo. Paano naman yung single, walang kakunik, may nakikita ka ba diyang paparating, no? Actually, may nakikita akong paparating dito sa inyo. So, tingnan natin. Okay? So, yeah, I also have here the Six of Flutes. See? Sabi ko sa inyo, eh. Oh, may paparating, ito na yung soulmate na to. This is a romantic soulmate right here. Okay? That will create that big change for you singles. No? The butterflies are in here. There's magic in here. No? And it gives me this kind of vibe na isa siya ritong prince or princess. So whatever the case may be, I don't know why I'm getting that age bracket of early 30s, early 40s, or um, 20s to nearly 40s, I'm getting that. So whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. Wala tayong age, but nakuha natin yun, kaya natin minention. Pero your love life is also blooming at may pagbabago sa romantic relationship mo, okay? With this New Year 2024 singles. And also with the forgiveness and Six of Flutes, no, na-mention ko kanina, kung may kakunik ka na, may kausap ka, may boyfriend, may girlfriend, may asawa ka na, no. See, mamamayani pa rin dito, no, yung pag-uunawaan, no. Tsaka nakikita ko at the end of the day, normal lang naman mag-away at magtalo, magtampuhan rito. So, hindi ko kayo nakikita na magsiseparate at maghihiwalay ng tao na yan. Ay, para kayong bubble gum, no, na kahit madikit na sa sapatos, no, nandun pa rin yung mancha. Knight of Rings energy. So, yeah, see, yung iba sa inyo, nung tagal nyo nang naging single, no? Pero meron na kayong makakasama sa inyong journey. Yan, no? So, dito nakikita ko that with the late bloomer, hindi naman too late tong person to na dumating sa buhay mo. This person is just coming in perfect timing for you, Virgo, okay? At kung sino man siya, no, kaya yan malaking ganyan na swan na yan, ibig sabihin, this person is so attractive. Doesn't have to be physically na siya ay super gwapo or super maganda, pero pwedeng siya ay attractive, pwedeng pretty, handsome, no? Pero dito, ang nakikita ko that with the swan in here, this is a good catch. Okay, this person is a good catch right here. This person is someone here that will protect you just like a knight. Yan. Knight in shining armor, princess in shining armor. See, told you guys. Yun yun. Okay. And also have here the ace of rings. See, first date. Sabi ko sa inyo, may nakita akong parating sa inyo. Yung kulit nyo lang. Ayan, no, siya na ata ang ice cream sa ibabaw ng inyong apa. Yan. Ayan, no, see, alam mo, nakikita ko dito na maliban sa kanya, may nakikita akong isang person pa rito na magkakagusto sa'yo. Okay? Pero hindi ko nakikitang liligawan ka nun. Parang magkaka-crush lang siya sa'yo. And applicable din yun para dun sa may mga ka-in relationship or may ka-connect, no? Nakita ko rito ng options around you. Pero yun nga, hindi ko nakikitang yun ay lalalim as love, pero crush, oo. Baka ma-inspire lang siya sa'yo or ma-admire ka lang niya, no? Baka dahil sa work mo or dahil meron ditong something attractive sa'yo. Pero yun nga, parang paghanga lang yun. Kung sino man yung parang lumalabas dito na isa pang energy, na crush lang, okay? Crush lang. Okay? So, yan. Hindi ko siya nakikitang manggugulo sa kung ano mang magiging love life or sa love life mo dito, Virgo. And we have here the meeting parents. Wow! Mukhang ipapakilala na kayo ngayon, no, sa family nitong boyfriend-girlfriend mo, no? Or baka meron na rito mamamanhikan this January 2024. Nakita tayo dito ng bahay. Oh, at kung makikita mo, hindi siya pink. So, ito ay parang medyo blurred pa. And not blurred, but it's not visible pa talaga. Pero may butterfly doon. So, ibig sabihin may plano rito. So, magkakaplano rito, no, na pwedeng ipakilala ka sa parents niya, no, yan, na ikaw yung girlfriend or whatever. May iba baka hindi pa napapakilala pero kayo na pala, no? So, yun. Whatever the case may be, something's changing here. And we have here the tattletale or the Five of Mirrors energy, Queen of Mirrors. See. I'm seeing right here, no, na meron ditong babalik sa inyo, pero babalik siya, pero hindi siya sigurado. Mm-mm. Kung sino siya, blinak mo na siya. So, hindi lang yan all about romantic relationships, pero nakikita ko na kung sino yan, no? Walang pagkatanda. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang inalisan rito, no? Pwedeng may iniwan siya na literal na third party at babalik siya kung ex mo yan. Babalik siya sa'yo. Pero nakikita ko na ano siya, sharp tongue siya, no? Matalas yung magsalita siya. At saka, kung gaano siya katoxic noon, ganun pa rin siya katoxic ngayon. So, I'm seeing that this person is definitely hindi nagbago. At bakit siya lumalabas ngayong January, no? Kasi nakukuha ko sa kanya na hindi siya naging satisfied or hindi siya nakontento Virgo sa kung ano yung na-experience niya doon. So, pwedeng yun ay grass isn't greener on the other side, kaya meron ditong pagbabalik sa buhay mo. Yung iba ex-husband or ex-wife niya yan, okay? Pero yung iba, pwedeng ex nyo yan. Doesn't have to be na married kayo or what. So yeah, Virgo, these are all the messages we've got for you January 2024. Just stay tuned kasi lagi naman tayong may readings for you guys, okay? Weekly. So thank you so much. This is your January 2024 reading. Sarang Haya Love and Light.